friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to start our page number 22. Open up your books, page 22. Communicate. Words. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words. I'm going to play an audio for you. There are some new words that you're learning today about these animals. What are these animals called? Let us see.
Page 22. Communicate. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Hamster. Goldfish. Bird. Rabbit. Lizard. Kitten. Hamster. Goldfish. Bird. Rabbit. Lizard. Kitten.
I hope you have listened to these words very carefully. You see that these are the names of the animals which are present in the picture. Now you see there is an exercise, part B of the section. Look at the pictures and match the owners to their pets. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the people carrying some cages or some boxes. And in A, B, C, D, E and F section, these are the animals that we have just learned. Now you have to match the right owner to these animals, that which animal will fit which cage or which box which these people are carrying. Pause this video and solve this exercise. I have solved this exercise for you as well. Let us see the answers. The first one, the correct answer is hamster because hamster can fit in that cage. Second one is goldfish because goldfish can swim in that bowl of water. Third one is a rabbit. Fourth one contains a parrot in that cage. Fifth one contains a lizard in that box. And sixth one contains a kitten. Now what you have to do is you have to write down the sentences of these words. Which words? The animal words that we have learned today, the different type of animals. You have to make the sentences of these words on loose sheets. That's all.